ते सर्वे करूंक जाय. आमी सगळे म्हणटा ते अनऑथरायज कन्स्ट्रक्शन इन प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीज ते आमी करता. पण वर्सांची वर्सां गव्हर्मेंट त्याच्या जाग्यार घरां आहा तेजी आमी गव्हर्मेंटान अजून कांय विचार करूंक ना. सो इट इज हाय टायम दॅट गव्हर्मेंट शूड लूक इन टू दॅट फर्स्ट.
आणि कितली घरां आसा?
कितलीं आहा हे पळय बाटल्यान आहा, मागीर आल्तीन आहा अँड सो मेनी अदर प्लेसीस ऑल्सो. एक्शन न्हू ती रेग्युलरायज करूंक जाय. हांव एक्शन घेवपाचें उलयना. आमी दर दुसऱ्यांचे रेग्युलरायज करूंक सोदता. गव्हर्मेंटाच्या हितून कित्याक करपाक आमी पयलो विचार तो करूंक जाय.
सेम बाकीच्या तालुक्यान आसा तरी
सगळे म्हायस्तार रेग्युलरायज करूंक जाय. कित्याक आमी उलयतात दुसऱ्यांचे हेजेर प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीचेर कम्युनलाचेर रेग्युलरायज करपाक. गव्हर्मेंटाचेर कित्याक अजून विचार करूंक ना ते आमी पयलो विचार करता. ना लॉस देर शूड बी सम मेकॅनिझम न्हू. You cannot just throw them out. These people have been staying there for 20 years, 25 years, and maybe even more than that.
Plus in
Yeah. So it is high time that you cannot basically deprive them of their home.
पुणे जे नंतर खूपशे लोक मागीर गव्हर्मेंट जाग्यान आपले एन्क्रोचमेंट
ना ॲटलिस्ट कटआउट डेट आहा न्हू. आतां हे कोण गव्हर्मेंटाच्या जाग्यान आहा ॲटलिस्ट कोण न्ही काय ना हे सगळें आदलेच आहा. So you can basically identify which is old and which is new.
So can
but it's high. No, we will put it up through the thing. It is high time that government should look into that and their houses should be regularized.
So within this tenure, it is possible to do.
So definitely. Yeah, I think there should be a time frame. Within 6 months' time, we should do all these things.
So but migrants also are there. No? Migrants also will be there. No? So
see, who is a migrant? How do you identify a migrant now? Now everyone has got a voting card, this thing, everything. You require a 15 years domicile to basically be a go-on. Suppose if at all we are talking about that. So it is those people, I am saying those people who have been living there for donkey's years, for 20 years, 25 years, 40 years. But when the government basically is thinking of regularizing houses in communal land and in private properties, unauthorized construction, whatever you call it. It is high time that government should first look into the thing on government land itself.